Everyone, welcome to the Learn CSE with Sai. You had go to the destination to explore and core computer science concepts to the in the video of we are starting an exciting journey with into an web development with HTML. Let us start with the module 1 introduction to the HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create a web page, and the HTML, it is not a programming language but it is a markup language used to define the standard structure of web page, just like how to the skeleton supports a body, human body. HTML supports and web page, telling the browser how to display and content like a text, images and videos. Example here is the think of a website like a house. HTML is the brick and layout of a structure. The CSE is an interior design and paint, and JavaScript is the electricity making things in interactive together to build the beautiful and functional website. Without HTML, website will not exist. Next, history of HTML. HTML was created in 1991 by Trimble as the inventor of the web. It is the evolved thoughts. 1991 the HTML 1.0, 1995 the HTML 2.0, and third time in the 1997 the HTML 4.0, and fourth time 2014 HTML5, the modern standard. The modern standard, and the today's we using the HTML5, which has brought you massive upgradation like videos embedding and better structure using header, footer, section tags, etc. And the HTML is adding as a gaming changing feature like videos and canvas and more as a flash content of tags to processed. And then why the HTML5 matters. Before the HTML5 plays a video need to be in plugger like a flash, but now we are with video and audio tags. It has in simple. HTML5 also supported modern mobile friendly and accessible website. Simple programming language, also mobile friendly, accessible now, which is an important in today's digital world. Next, HTML document structure. This is the starting, the main HTML5. It must be in this first line less than that symbol, and document type HTML closing greater than. This is the tag of starting HTML5, then HTML tag, then header tag, then title. This is the header part of HTML. This is the body part of the HTML, opening and closing body tag. H1 tag, headings. Then HTML closing tag, opening, closing. This is the structure of HTML document. Then first one in HTML5, this is the document type HTML. This is the telling the browser to it as in HTML5 already told. And HTML is wrapping all the content. Head is contained as a meta information. Body shows visible content. And next, create your first website. Let's just build your first website step by step. Open the notepad or web VS Code, content type the HTML structure, save as an index.html, open in the browser, and boom. Let us start. VS Code, open, then dot HTML, then HTML. Next, what next? Header, then title, my first page. Okay, then body tag, presenter, body, presenter. You can see tag opening and closing, body tag. Then now headings, h1 to h6, the headings are the size of structure. That h1 heading is first largest text size, then decreasing the size of until h6. First we can see h1, welcome, low volt. Okay, now we can see h2, then h3. We can see now go live, press go live, and here seen first one is larger than h2, h1 is larger and h2 is decreasing the size, h3 is decreasing the size. Now we can see h4, then h5, h6. We can see now h1 to h6, refresh it, we can see now. Then we can add paragraph tag is p tag, contained with p tag. This is sorry for the disturbance. This is my first web page using HTML dot. Okay, we can see now, refresh it. This is the paragraph tag, p tag. This is our first program, you can see now. Then coming to the PDF, mistakes to avoid. Many people are doing mistakes are to saving and text, saving as a code as a .txt. Practice is a key. Try changing the heading text and add and paragraph and insertion on images, and keep playing and experimenting. The more as and practice, the more confidence you became. Next, in this next video, we will explore the text formatting, links and images in the HTML. You will be learn to be create and colorful, engaging content. So make sure you are subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification. Thank you. This is Learn CSE with Sai.